Chat Time with Julia, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. Usually when people make slime, they use borax or cornstarch or like baking soda with contact lens solution. But this is the safest way to make slime. Don't use borax for your slime because it's kind of chemical and it's bad for kids. Only adults can use it. So what you need for slime is you need glue. And for the activator, we're using liquid detergent because it's the safest activator. You can only use the ones that are yellow because we tried liquid detergent, the Joy, didn't work. You need a fork to mix, of course. And so this is all your supplies. So first thing you're gonna do is you open your glue, and you pour it on the table. I do it the savage way. Okay, so when you're done adding your glue, the thing I like about clear glue is that when it clears up, it makes it so beautiful. Next, you're gonna add your activator for the top of your glue. Don't add too much because you're gonna over-activate it. And then you get your fork or mixer or something and mix. This one, it activates, what do you call this? It activates like really fast, like quickly, immediately. And you see your slime turns blue if you use this one. If it's too sticky to your fork, you need to add more activator. Okay, so the reason why you need activator for slime is so that glue won't make slime by itself. You need some kind of other partner to make it into slime. Yeah, when it doesn't stick to your table anymore, you can start using your hands. Sticky. You need activator first. Okay, start kneading it with your. You can stretch it, and then you see it becomes like kind of stretchy and not so sticky. You just gather everything up. Oops. So as you can see here, this is the slime. You know it's slime when it's like not sticky and when it's stretchy. Use any kind of glue as long as it's not fake glue, like glue that won't turn into slime. Put as much glue as you want, but make sure that your activator is like maybe a bit smaller than your glue so that it won't overactivate. Here is the slime. It's kind of small, but who cares? It's slime. So this is supposed to be your end product for your slime. Yeah, it's supposed to be stretchy. You can squish it and cook it. And after you're done making your final product, you clean the table with slime. The next slime video I'm going to be making is colorful with glitters, like glitter glue. And this is what I made before. It's kind of more solid because I made it last night. It's kind of more solid. This one, since I already made it, it's like new. And this one's like, if you guys are asking how to store it, you just get clear containers and put it in there so that it doesn't dry up, because you do not want dried up slime. If you want dried up slime, then go ahead, don't use a plastic container. But if you want your slime to be like this, stretchy, then don't leave it out. Put it on cloth or wood or bed sheets. I accidentally left my slime while I was sleeping, and then it's stuck on my bed sheet. And it happened to me on the ceiling. I threw it in the air and then stopped. Leave your slime anywhere or throw it in the air. if you look at my clear ceiling, it looks ugly because it has slime. Make sure to clean up after. When you have your slimy consistency already, clean the table with it, like roll it or this one time I got in trouble for making slime. And you guys are probably wondering, how do you get in trouble while making slime or getting slime or having slime? The reason why you don't leave it anywhere is that your mom, or at least my mom, doesn't get mad at you when you leave it. And I got in trouble for playing with slime because I left it in her bag and then it melted. Okay guys, so that's all the reminders for slime. And if you want another part with glitters and like adding a lot of stuff into like slime, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that bell notification, so just make sure your phone doesn't break. And hit the like button. Bye!